So, hello everybody. So you remember that before that I have made a fast review of the CM12.1 ROM, which is the new unofficial build for the Galaxy S3 GTI 9300. So I'm gonna remake the review maybe more quick and with a full review of that, and I'm gonna make a short description how to install the ROM. So let's go and unlock this screen. So you can see this is the basic Android lollipop lock screen. You swipe up to unlock, and you can right to get right and left to your shortcuts. The camera works. Camera is working fine. So let me show you, and then you have you can just swipe to see the picture. Something that I miss that we don't have in I think in CM11, the snapshot of this device, the camera got more features, but while the video works fine as well. Let me show you. So you can swipe, and yeah, video is working fine, sound, everything's great. Okay, so we're done with the camera. So this is actually the Nova launcher I'm using on Lollipop. So let's go to the setting first and check out the details. So as you can see, this is Android version 5.1.1 Lollipop. You do have the Easter egg game. So yeah, so what we got is that this ROM, actually before that there was an older version in, I think it's the 18th of December 2015, and after that the ROM was end of life because of the official CM team were not updating or working on CM12.1 anymore, and since they focus on CM13 Marshmallow now. So yeah, the new developer called rdprocky just continued this ROM, and now we are on the latest version, which is the 22nd of April 2016. With that update, we've got security patch updates, which bring us now to April 1 security update. The ROM is based on Archie base, so you got Archie kernel, which is very smooth, fine. No OT updates for now, as the developer says that there is not that frequently updates, so there is no need for OT update at this moment. So developer option, you enable that to tap the build number 7 times. In developer option, you have advanced reboot, which is that option that when you reboot, you can choose reboot, a fast soft reboot. You can reboot to recovery mode or the bootloader, which is very great. You enable root access from here, Android debugging, so everything is here, which is very great. Nothing new since the old CM12.1, except the performance are really great. The ROM is very smooth overall. Otherwise, the Antutu benchmark are not the best, but the ROM is running very smooth. So you've got NFC, so every basic stuff, display and light. You do have the advanced display. You can customize the battery lights, the notification lights. On Save Daydream is that when you plug into the charger, it will be I set it to clock, so yeah, it will save your battery, and you don't have to unlock your screen to see the time. This is pretty great. Cast screen, double tap to sleep. You can double tap on the status bar to sleep. Live display, reduce power consumption. This option really reduced the battery usage of your phone, which is very great. Oh, it's 720. Sounds, themes, you have the theme engine working. Well, here's a few theme I recommend. Free Android N theme, Exo theme, which is free as well, based on the 1+1 black stock keys, turns everything black. Great for AMOLED, but it's paid. But Exo and Android N are free. What I like also is you have on-screen nav bar, so if your hardware buttons are not working anymore, you can use those, and you can customize those. So here you have the home button. By default you have home, multitasking, and back button. I put the menu button here, which actually does, it's open the menu of whatever app you're in. So let's go back to menu and disable that. You can customize the link to the buttons. Battery life is okay. Home, let me show you the trebuchet launcher, which is a stock launcher which come with CM 12.1. So this is the basic CM launcher. Yeah, the folder will look like this. App drawer will be a card based, and you've got page, it's not scrollable. So yeah, I use Nova Launcher personally. You have like it's stable for Android Lollipop, and you can customize a lot of things. And you even have the gestures. So I use that gestures. When you swipe anywhere down, you got the quick toggles. Wi-Fi is working out of the box. Flashlight as well, as you can see. Location with GPS, compass, sync is working. Rotation, auto rotation is working. Let me check with the clock. I don't know if the clocks do rotate. So this is working fine. The launcher can rotate, but you do have to enable that. So let's check the GPS. Everything is working fine actually. I didn't find any bugs yet in this ROM. But make sure when you flash the G apps that you flash the right version for them. Yeah, you see it very fast and smooth. YouTube is working. I read on XDR Developer some complaints about the Google apps. I mean the Play Store asking for authentication, login every time. So I'm not sure what kind of glitches. You can see the YouTube sometimes freeze, and maybe it's related to the G apps. I flashed the latest version, so yeah, I might have some few glitch over here. Let's try again. We have to be fast. Early 23. My work actually started at 8, but never mind. I want to make that quick review since yeah, the old one is a bit messy. I recorded with my iPad, so it seems that we have some slowdown with YouTube now. Let's try to open it again. It should work. Maybe it's because of the G app, because I installed YouTube app with the G app installer, which yeah is something that I don't recommend. Just install the G apps, install the Pico version of Google Apps, and install the YouTube. I can't have it working. Why does this have to happen to me? Maybe this does work. Yeah, you see it sometimes crashes like this. Yesterday was working fine. I was looking at some videos. I don't know why today it's like this. So let's go to, yeah, we'll open a few apps. Speed is actually pretty great for what is it. I've replaced the stock browser with Google Chrome, since I like Google Chrome. The calculator, you have it working, which has what I like, which is not in CM14, is you have the option to see the old calculation that you've done. You see, so you can have a history of what you've done. Play Store, let's check out. So yeah, maybe it's because of my Wi-Fi. Yeah, the Play Store is working fine. I haven't found any issues. Games, So I don't, maybe it's related to the G apps. So check your G apps for people who have some issues with the Play Store. Let's try YouTube again. Maybe I'll try to flash a new G apps, but it was working yesterday, so I cannot tell you that it's not working because I used that yesterday night. Never mind. So multitasking is very smooth, as you can see. Switching between apps. The camera might be a bit slow. I have to relaunch. Let's go to game. You see, very smooth theme. What again? We can go to map again. The Google Map does has to reload. I just turned off the GPS. That's maybe why. About gaming performance, the performance of this ROM about gaming are not bad. You've got great performance. So let me show you that in Car X Drift Racing, which is intense graphic games with very high quality graphics. I play VR games as well on that ROM, virtual reality games. The resolution of the phone is not the best, but the quality is great. I cannot tell that it's bad, so yeah, we might consider that. So actually this is everything is in low. I just put the dynamic shadow because it's great. This game is really intense in the graphics. So I don't want to customize my car. I want to make a quick race, fast. Yeah, just go somewhere, maybe here. Who knows? I want to drift. This is a good drift game, by the way. It's free. You can just find it on the Play Store. Actually, I find the loadings in this ROM is faster than CM14 ROMs. It does loads way faster. I have no idea why, but it is loading way faster. So let's check. Yeah, you see, so running smooth. You have maybe some bit of a lag when you comes to the effect, because this game, as I told you, have a intense. It's very high on graphics. You can see every effects are present. Let's switch to the interior camera. So that works well with the inside camera. You've got that kind of camera, cool. Yes, so it's working well. Let's go back to the launcher. I think I set it to Nova. In Android 5.1, what I find about the launcher, it's sometimes, or most of the time, it's redrawing itself almost every time. Looks we've got some updates, but I'm not gonna do that now. So yeah, multitasking is very fast. My sim works, call works, everything works well. You can swipe or just. I didn't put any SIM card since it's not my daily driver. The only lag, which it's maybe better than the older version, it's not lagging as the older version. You have everything, its calls are working. So that's all for that ROM. Don't forget to make an Android backup before flashing stuff, and check the G apps when you install them. Other than that, I'll put a description how to install the ROM.